They call it the fourth level, a crucible where triumph grants fleeting privileges, and even the air seems charged with whispers of inevitability. Ling Han and the Heavenly Phoenix Divine Maiden have arrived, their temporary haven arranged, yet the night holds a warning no arrangement can soften. A single figure descends from the void, towering above the courtyard with the weight of legend itself. Zhao Qingfeng, his presence cutting through the assembled king tiers like a storm through fragile reeds. The dust settles, revealing devastation in its wake, yet one man stands unbowed. Ling Han. Tomorrow, the final battle looms. A duel where reputation and bloodline count for nothing against sheer will and power. In recap, Alchemy Emperor of the Divine Dao, chapter 1869 to 1870, the stage is set, the gauntlet thrown, and the question hangs heavy. Can Ling Han survive the wrath of a god in human form? Through the shifting mists of the transfer formation, Ling Han and the radiant Heavenly Phoenix Divine Maiden emerged onto the fourth level, stepping into a realm suffused with otherworldly light and the faint hum of untold power. As the champions of the tournament, they carried with them privileges few could dream of. The right to bring a companion or two along, a fleeting grace only lasting for the tournament's span. Beyond this, the multitude of spectators, eager to witness the clash of prodigies, were fated to pay dearly for passage, each trip devouring a precious starstone and bound to return on the same day, never lingering in this rarefied space. Rumors whispered that alchemist Zi Cheng himself had a hand in the transfer formation, his sharp business acumen transforming arcane travel into profitable enterprise. Ling Han could not help but smirk. Even in the midst of divine arts, the mundane often thrived. Once they arrived, their lodgings were arranged, modest yet befitting tournament victors. The fourth level was teeming with others, champions of the second and third levels who already considered themselves locals, accustomed to these heights, returning only after the tournament concluded. The victors of this level had not yet arrived. Their presence would grace the arena only the following day. For now, a tense calm lay over the city like a fragile silk veil. But midnight brought a storm unlike any ordinary night. A terrifying aura surged through the courtyard, rattling the 12 remaining hopefuls awake. Their eyes widened in unison, and one by one, doors creaked open, revealing a man floating above them, a figure sculpted in celestial authority. His presence was a tempest made flesh, exuding a dominion over all beneath him. Zhao Qingfeng. A trembling voice dared to speak his name, though fear laced every syllable. Even among these king-tier cultivators, the mere utterance of Zhao Qingfeng's name sent shivers coursing through their veins. His renown was not merely of strength, but of ruthless precision, the kind that hunted prodigies with a cruel, unrelenting fascination. Those caught in his gaze could only pray for fortune once he departed Alchemy City. Zhao Qingfeng's gaze swept over them, lips curling in scorn. Trash. Worthless. Not even worthy of my attention. His contempt was a palpable blade, cutting through their pride. Murmurs of fury arose. These were king tears, even emperor tears, yet the audacity of his words left them stunned. With a casual motion, he extended his hand, and the heavens themselves seemed to tremble. A torrent of green light descended, forming countless spectral swords, each etched with the seals of profound Dao. The force of their fall split the air with a whispering roar. The courtyard was engulfed. Dust and debris swirled in chaotic clouds as the cultivators scrambled to defend themselves. When the chaos subsided, most lay sprawled, broken yet alive, their injuries a testament to Zhao Qingfeng's casual cruelty. One move, just one, and he had overpowered a dozen king tiers. He was the embodiment of terrifying might. And yet, even at this pinnacle, he remained one of the 4 heavenly kings under Yan Xianlu, a subordinate whose master had not yet touched the threshold of 9 heavens' celestial king tier. Such was the depth of Zhao Qingfeng's prowess. "I said you were trash," he repeated, voice echoing like a decree. "I am here merely to remind you not to waste my time. Tomorrow, there will be but a single tournament battle." His eyes fixed upon the sole figure still standing unharmed, Ling Han. Ling Han had already whisked the Heavenly Phoenix Divine Maiden into the Black Tower, yet he met Zhao Qingfeng's gaze with calm resolve. The other man's eyes blazed like twin infernos, but Ling Han's posture radiated pride, the aura of a warrior unbowed. "That is correct. I am Ling Han," he said, voice steady, betraying no fear. Zhao Qingfeng's grin revealed sharp teeth, a predator assessing worthy prey. "You are intriguing. Tomorrow, we meet in the finals." His proclamation shattered the natural order, skipping over the remaining rounds, dismissing the other contenders with sheer intimidation. Ling Han could almost sense alchemist Zicheng frowning at such recklessness, yet there was no time for concern. Ling Han's own confidence, honed through trials and tempered by celestial king-tier flames, remained unshaken. "If none of you yield tomorrow, not one shall return alive. Mark my words." Zhao Qingfeng's arrogance soared, his presence a tidal wave that crushed the courage of even the strongest cultivators. Silence fell, heavy and suffocating. Retreat or resistance meant nothing. They could not hope to survive. Ling Han, the focus of this tempest, steeled himself. Zhao Qingfeng would be bested, he resolved. His mind calmed, envisioning the battle to come, the clash of wills and energy, the dance of martial skill and inner Dao. The courtyard lay in ruins, yet the other 15 competitors, cowed and disheartened, withdrew. Some abandoned the tournament outright, while others placed their silent faith in Ling Han, hoping to witness a prodigy rise to challenge the tyrant. Night faded, and dawn ushered in the next day. Ling Han and the Heavenly Phoenix Divine Maiden moved toward the arena, the path short yet heavy with anticipation. Within the grand arena, those in charge exchanged glances of disbelief. "All others have forfeited," a subordinate reported. Cold sweat glistening, tickets sold, expectations high, yet the finals had already been reduced to 2. "Zhao Qingfeng," the officer ground his teeth, fury tempered by helplessness. Such intimidation could bend the will of even the staunchest contenders. Only Ling Han remained, a solitary beacon of resistance. Resigned, the officials prepared for the finals. Zhao Qingfeng's shadow loomed, a despicable presence yet untouchable, his fingers of power relics of an 8th heaven celestial king tier. Who dared confront him? None could defy him without invoking the wrath of his master, Yan Qianlu. The impossible had been made inevitable. "I hope this Ling Han is not disappointing," one officer whispered, shaking his head in disbelief. Even the mightiest holy sons of celestial king tier sects had fallen before Zhao Qingfeng. Defying him was akin to defying the heavens themselves. Yet Ling Han, with the fire of determination in his heart, readied himself. Tomorrow, the storm would break, and the path of martial destiny would be etched in the clash between a prodigy and a tyrant. The grand martial arena trembled under a wave of uproar as the master of ceremonies declared that the final confrontation would commence immediately. A storm of voices erupted from the spectators' stands, full of disbelief and outrage. 4 days of witnessing the prodigy's struggles had been promised, yet here, on a single day, the climax would be forced upon them. Whispers of injustice rippled through the crowd. Had the victor truly been chosen behind closed doors? Were the countless warriors who had trained, fought, and suffered merely disqualified by some unseen decree? Yet the master of ceremonies' voice cut through the clamor, steady and unyielding. The other contestants had voluntarily withdrawn. No force could compel them to fight. In the end, only one battle would take place. Ling Han versus Zhao Qingfeng, Lu Xianming murmured in disbelief, his eyes narrowing. Ling Han? Could it truly be him? Was this mere coincidence or fate's cruel hand at play? Sun Dong, ever the loyal admirer of Zhao Qingfeng, approached eagerly. "Young Master Lu," he called, "what troubles you?" Lu Xianming shook his head subtly, telling himself that 2 souls sharing a name was not impossible in the sprawling celestial realm. Yet inside, his heart churned uneasily. Meanwhile, Sun Dong's admiration for Zhao Qingfeng overflowed unchecked. This was no mere warrior. He would face the final battle head-on while all others had fled, a crushing testament to his dominance. To Sun Dong, Ling Han's impending defeat was not a question of if, but how thoroughly. Revenge, long awaited, would finally be served. On the other side of the arena, Cheng Fengyin's chest swelled with a similar elation. Today, Ling Han would fall. What once seemed possible, to linger on this stage a few more days, was now impossible against Zhao Qingfeng's overwhelming might. His words, spoken with assured confidence, dripped with the certainty of witnessing victory. No encouragement was necessary today. Zhao Qingfeng's reputation preceded him. Rumors of his deeds had spread like wildfire. A handful of holy sons and daughters from celestial king tier sects had recently been forced to bow and leave, and even 3 victors from the 4th level had forfeited in fear of him. This was a man whose strength flirted with the destruction of worlds. Ling Han, formidable as he was, faced not mere opposition, but the near invincible, a storm whose fury was unmatched. The only question was how many moves Ling Han might survive. 3, 5, 10? Yet the courage to confront such a titan spoke volumes. At last, the Master of Ceremonies' voice rose above the murmurs, signaling the beginning. The 2 combatants ascended the stage, their presence commanding the arena into a hush. Lu Shanming's eyes widened, a sharp intake of breath betraying his surprise. There he stood, Ling Han himself. A flush of disbelief coursed through him. Fate, it seemed, refused to let him escape this encounter. Not even a year had passed, yet destiny had once again intertwined their paths. Determination ignited within Lu Shanming. He would not allow Ling Han to fall to Zhao Qingfeng. Debts of life, unmatched potential, the promise of future alliances, everything demanded intervention. He would wait, watch, and when the moment arose, step forth, demanding Zhao Qingfeng honor his presence. Sun Dong, in contrast, could think only of destruction. His vision was consumed by Zhao Qingfeng's dominance, imagining Ling Han crushed and humiliated. His blood roared with anticipation. Begin! The hand of the Master of Ceremonies swept the stage clear, leaving the 2 young prodigies to their fates. Zhao Qingfeng stood with quiet poise, hands clasped behind his back, his eyes fixed on Ling Han. "Impressive," he said, his voice calm yet laced with lethal undertones. "At least you possess courage. I expected cowardice." Ling Han's lips curved in a wry smile. "If I had fled, who would give you the fight you crave?" His words, light yet confident, stirred a ripple of tension through the arena. Zhao Qingfeng chuckled softly, admiration mingling with anticipation. His only concern was that Ling Han might lack the strength to awaken the depths of his own potential. Ling Han's vitality must ignite the full measure of Zhao Qingfeng's Dao heart, for prolonged stagnation at the 4th severance dulled even the mightiest cultivators, turning accumulated power to futility. "I, too, hope you are strong," Ling Han replied evenly, "for crushing the weak is a dull endeavor." Arrogance and skill intertwined. Zhao Qingfeng raised his right hand, a green halo of light coalescing in his palm. Within it, a blade of green radiance emerged, cruel and resolute. For this battle, this feast of prodigious might, he had long awaited the pleasure of combat, the regulation of slaughter, his cultivated path, yearned for the annihilation of an equal. "Of all kings in the world," Zhao Qingfeng declared, pride and authority flowing from his voice, "I am the strongest." Ling Han's eyebrows rose in incredulous amusement. Shameless audacity, yet there was a thrill in witnessing such unbridled confidence. Even Yan Shanlu had not dared such a claim. Ling Han laughed aloud, shaking his head at the sheer gall. "You dare laugh at me?" Zhao Qingfeng's smirk was cold, the green blade in his grasp humming with deadly anticipation. With a motion swift as lightning, he unleashed it. A streak of sword chi, stretching 30,000 meters, tore through the air, a palpable force threatening to split heaven and earth. "This is the mark of a true prodigy from the Eternal Prosperity sect," murmured the Ascending Origin tier spectators, their eyes keen and discerning. To them, Zhao Qingfeng and Ling Han were not merely strong, they were forces beyond reckoning. Even Yan Shanlu would appear a child before their power. Talent foretells potential, but only action proves mastery. The crowd exchanged glances, whispers of legends forming. The 5th severance, a threshold few dare even dream to touch. Ling Han, already perfected in the severing mundane tier, might yet ascend to dividing soul tier, if fate allowed. Their admiration was tinged with awe, tempered by Zhao Qingfeng's unwavering resolve. A laugh echoed through the audience as a short, braided figure quipped, anticipating the indignation of alchemist Zi Cheng upon hearing this news. Amidst this charged atmosphere, Zhao Qingfeng's sword chi hurtled toward Ling Han like a celestial comet. Ling Han met it with his fist, regulations of fire coiling around his strike. The clash erupted with a roar, the sword chi shattering instantly. Yet the shockwave hurled Ling Han backward across the arena until he collided with the boundary wall, the impact reverberating like thunder. A mere casual strike, and yet it bore the weight of cataclysm. Ling Han's frown deepened. The gulf between them was slight, yet decisive. 3rd severance against 4th. A proximity to monarch tier mastery, and the chasm of experience tilted the scales. A gleam of excitement sparked in Ling Han's eyes. Fun awaited. Let the battle begin, in earnest.